Welcome back to all of my beautiful babes right here on Sugar Fingers, and to my new followers. If you have not subscribed, come on and join the family over here on Sugar Fingers. I am Sweet Angel. I'm so glad you're here because we're going to be talking about something that's very much needed. Are you, as like most everybody this time of the year, dealing with dry, dehydrated, scaly, flaky, itchy hands? Well, I have a simple solution for you and everyone else today. For dry, dehydrated hands, for scaly, flaky hands, we're going to talk about how we can soothe those irritated and itchy hands with one simple ingredient. And you're looking at it right here, and it is milk. Just simply use milk. Now, my bowl may be a little bit too small today, but if you take 2 cups of preferably whole milk in the microwave for just a few seconds until it's pleasantly warm to the touch. Don't overheat it. Do not do that. Simply take that warm bowl of milk and soak your hands for about 5 to 10 minutes and then rinse them off. And guess what you'll have? You'll have amazingly soft, hydrated hands within minutes. The reason being is that milk, especially whole milk, contains fats that moisturize and hydrate the skin. Plus, it also contains calcium, vitamin A, and vitamin E that nourishes the skin cells and even your nails too. Milk also acts as an exfoliant to help remove dead skin cells. There are so many benefits of using milk to help moisturize, nourish, exfoliate, and heal your dry, itchy, flaky, dehydrated hands. This is an amazing ingredient. Super healing properties that will soothe the most sensitive skin. Super easy, but super beneficial. Try this today and you will definitely be impressed by the way your hands feel. I've had many people to tell me they love it. You can also take it to another notch. You can also combine the milk with honey, even olive oil. And if you're looking to make it a super great scrub, just add a little bit of oatmeal and even some sea salt and make a wonderful scrub. Y'all, milk is amazing. Try it out today. Once you finish using the milk, make sure you rinse your hands well and go ahead and apply your normal hand moisturizer. Over time, you'll see amazing results from using milk. I'm your girl Sweet Angel right here on Sugar Fingers. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. Like, comment, subscribe, and y'all, please keep those hands looking gorgeous. I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.